Welcome everyone in this video, and in this video you will learn how to create doodle videos inside Filmora. First of all, let's see what we are going to create in this video. So this doodle effect can be applied on text and images as well. So the first thing, you need two things. First of all, make sure you have upgraded to the latest version of Filmora, that is Filmora X. If you are using any other editor, then guys make sure you have a keyframe feature, because that is the we must need. And the second thing that you need, there is a link available in the description. From that description you can download a lot of hands option with the green background. Okay, I have created a 6 hands for you. You can use any of them that you like, and I have already imported these hands here. So let's create the video. First we need a our background. So I'm going to use this gray color and I will add in the first layer. You can lock it because we don't want to edit here. The second thing, you go to titles and make sure you use the default title. Add into your timeline, adjust the duration, change the text, whatever you want to do, maybe doodle video. You can also change font family, but don't do a lot of editing, because doodle videos are simple generally. If you have seen some doodle videos, make it to the center of the screen and make sure there is some space in the left and the right sidebar. Okay, so yeah, it is looking perfect. Then you want to import hand that you have downloaded from the description link. So I will use this hand, and first of all we need to apply chroma key, and then in the last frame where the hand is ending here, so you want to apply a cut on the text or split, and then select the first part, go to advanced, then animation, and here you want to select typewriter for the text, and you want to increase its in animation to the end, then press OK. And here for our hand, you can also lock this text layer, because we also don't want to edit this anymore. So select our hand, and first of all you want to change its position to the center of the first character. Okay, then go to animation, custom. So delete it. So okay, center of the first character. Then you want to make it till the end where you have applied a cut on the text, and here you want to add a second keyframe, and you only want to change the X position. Make it till the end. So let's see. So I guess we need some more editing, or it is perfect. So you just want to make sure that your character should be shown after the hand pass of them, as you can see in the video. So if you don't achieve in the first time, make sure you have to try the second time, and thus how you can create doodle videos. And the second thing you also need to take care for the text is don't increase the height of the text, so make it a bit smaller. So you don't want to text going too much up and down, so that's you need to adjust. Maybe you can use capital letters. Okay, that is for the text. Now let's see that how we can apply this doodle effect on the images. First of all, I want to delete this thing and this as well, and for the hand I want to take a snapshot, and I also want to delete this video. So again we will go to the titles, add a default title here, and I will click on it, then advanced, then I will delete this. Okay, you click on that image icon, then import your image. So I will import my own image. You want to make it size smaller. Again, make sure there is a space in the top at the bottom of the image. Then go to animation. No, don't go to animation. Click on the press OK button. Then go to media and import your snapshot images. So, and I want to decrease the duration. The perfect duration for our kind of videos is a 1.5 second, maybe 1 or half. Okay, I mean if you increase it people can find it that it's not created with the Doodle software. So you want to make it between 1 and 2 seconds, whatever the ideal time for you. So here is the our 1.5 second. First of all, I will apply chroma key on this. Okay, so I can see my amaze right now. The second thing that I want to do is apply a cut on my title. I will select it, go to advanced, and this time we will not select typewriter because it will be only applied on the text, and this is a maze, it is not a text. For this we want to apply roll clockwise, and again you have to increase its in duration till the end like this, then press OK. And first of all we also lock this layer. So make sure you place it in the top left corner, and then you go to animation, you add your keyframe, and you move 2 or 3 frames away, and you have to keep changing position as amaze is you are seeing your amaze. So you don't need to be perfect here because it is only 1.5 seconds. So if you miss some details, that's okay. Nobody is going to see them that this thing is missing until they don't play video in the slow motion. So let me just quickly cover this thing. Let's see then how it will look. And make sure when your animation is complete, it end at the bottom right corner. So it is completed before the animation because image is drawn. So let's see how does it look like. So yeah, it's perfect because only a half 1 second, so nobody is going to capture if you miss some details. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, query, or you have some crazy idea that you want to know how to do in the Filmora, let me know by the comment section. I will happy to create that kind of video for you. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and guys, again make sure you press the like button and subscribe button of this channel.